Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Simplified Invention. In this video, we are going to make a easy Dremel tool at home. You can take a look of it. Let's go on to the video. Let's see what are the components required to make it. We need a switch, a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery connector or the cap, a high voltage DC motor, you can take a look of it, a refill of a pen, a cap of a glass bottle. Now we will start making the project. We will connect the 9-volt battery to the 9-volt battery connector or the cap. In bottom of the battery, you can glue up the high voltage motor. And take a look of it. Then we will give a circuit. Now we will fix the switch here. Now I have completed the circuit. Now you can take a look of it. For making a Dremel tool, we need to make a blade. So that I have taken a lid of a glass bottle. Now we will turn this into a blade. Let's do it. Now I have flattened the glass lid of the bottle. For making a blade, we will take a scissor. Fully you have to complete it. Now I have completed making the Dremel tool blade. You can take a look of it. Now I will make a hole by using a compass. Now I have made the hole. Now we will glue it here. Let's take my glue gun. Now we will glue the Dremel blade. Here is some glue for gluing. I will also glue it here. After completing, now we will insulate it. Now we will insulate it. I am using insulation tape for insulating. Now I have completed. You can take a look of it. Now we will see the working of it. For working, I have taken ice cream stick. We can cut using our Dremel tool. It is cutting. You can take a look of it. It is cutting. So our Dremel tool is working. Thanks for watching our video Dremel tool. Please give a like, share, subscribe our channel Simplified Invention and click the bell icon to get the immediate notification when we upload any videos.